Crypto volatility is in full swing today as Bitcoin is moving from 108 to 107,000. It's bouncing back, it's creating a doji candle, and, well, hopefully the bulls take over and send it higher. One thing remains true, and that is there is a lot of bullish catalysts and bullish analysts looking at the price of Ripple's XRP. And that is exactly what we're going to jump into in this video, because the more and more bullish catalysts we have, when you combine that with bullish sentiment, we could be on the verge of a major breakout. And if you take a look at these price predictions, guys, some of them are $74 per coin. Let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now, I do want to say thank you. I have not been absent over the last couple of days here. My YouTube channel was terminated for a minute. YouTube reviewed it. I want to say thank you to YouTube for going out there and dedicating some manpower, sending a human to actually review the channel and getting it back today. So I am very grateful for everybody who showed support over the last couple of days, and I'm also very grateful that YouTube took the time to review it, and thank you. With that being said, guys, we're going to jump into some analysis on Ripple's XRP, and then we're going to be jumping into another utility token that, if utility tokens begin to soar, I think could do a very good job and is actually still at some of the lowest levels that we could imagine. So Ripple's XRP, I'm not going to jump into any one of these specific articles too detailed in this video, but if we take a look at the headlines right now, we've got a mini golden cross. I read this article and it talks about the 50-day moving average moving above the 100-day moving average. Now, typically you have a 50 and 200-day moving average crossover, but this could lead to a very bullish breakout. When moving averages converge, diverge, and cross, this is an excellent indicator simply for technical analysts and technical traders to step in. Does it guarantee future performance? No, absolutely not. But if you've got some technical traders out there waiting for the cross to happen before they begin to buy, we could very soon be on the verge of a major buy. It says XRP defies outflows with bullish rebound from that $2.27 support level. XRP is set to explode, but only after it plunges, and it doesn't have to plunge very far. So this article here just wants to get your attention, and as a matter of fact, it could be set to explode all the way up to $74. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. The analysts that are expecting $74, I do not believe that that is right around the corner. XRP is already very high in market cap. I believe it's above $100 billion market cap. If we can get out here real quick, let's see where we're at. XRP sitting at $133 billion market cap. So $74 does seem out of reach, at least to me, in the near term. Long term, guys, I believe that we are going to see trillions of dollars of valuations, not just for Bitcoin, but for multiple cryptocurrencies. And with that, XRP should increase greatly in value. Now, this actually is a little bit more, reasonable in terms of my technical analysis on XRP. Bull flag putting $5.50 price target on the map. If you come out and you look at XRP over the last several months, it has been very stagnant, trying to break out to the upside, but essentially getting stuck in this bull flag pattern. We did have a slight breakout, but if you review or relook at this descending trend line, you may be able to readjust so that, of course, we are still in the bull flag pattern here. Once again, if broken, we could see a very nice push to the upside. Now, $5.50 is an interesting price target by these analysts, but I do believe we could easily test this 340 level that we have seen before, and if that all-time high is broken, there's no technical pattern on the screen. There's no technical resistance on the screen, and it is going to be completely up to XRP holders how high they are willing to hold before the price runs into resistance. Now, with that being said, if this utility token breaks out, I believe all utility tokens could break out, and Subbed is just one example of this utility token. Subbed is creating an AI creator platform where its intentions are upsetting the $85 billion content creation industry. It's going to do a better job of connecting creators with their fans. It's going to do, hopefully, a more efficient job of getting those creators paid and allowing those fans to interact with those creators. Now, I have bought into subbed, and I am excited about this token. If you guys are interested in buying it as well, you can click that link in the description, buy with card or buy with crypto. Either way, you got to connect a wallet. Now, I connect via Best Wallet, so if you guys want to download Best Wallet, you got a link for that down in the description as well. But nonetheless, what these guys plan on doing is creating an entire creator, I guess, ecosystem and universe that is going to allow the $85 billion content creation industry to be revitalized and reviewed. Now, this is one of the things that I like the most about this token. 123,000 followers out on their X account. And you can see, you've got a shiny new token making its debut. But look at this, man. 305,000 impressions. The launch is close. 1,000 impressions. Pre-sale hitting $500,000. To be completely honest with you, $500,000, right? $552,000 is not a lot of money for these ICOs to do. I believe that there's so much more room and so much more potential in this token that people are still sitting on the sidelines waiting and wondering whether or not they should buy in. Now, I've made my decision. If you guys are making your decision, let me know down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.